Alright guys, Star Jumper here again, and this will be another basic tutorial. Last time we created a little ship, seen here, and we have some cannons on it, some lights, some shields, some thrusters, power recharge, and a defense around the core. So it's looking pretty good, but you can't just go out and start fighting pirates immediately. You will most likely, on most servers, some servers are a little different, but you will just be given some salvage computers, which I don't seem to have any, and salvage modules. And then the idea behind there is to go mine. So, give myself some. Okay, so I have my salvage computer, and let's get some salvage. Okay, so same idea here. We're just going to go to somewhere close to the core, and we are going to put the computer in. So there's the computer. Oh, and if you saw how there's a little arrow associated with the blocks that you're placing, that's giving you the orientation. And with just cubes of armor and everything, that doesn't matter. Same with lights, block lights like this. But with the computers, that will be the direction in which your modules are firing. So since it's pointed straight forward, it's all the ones that I place are going to just fire straight in front of you. So let's put some in. Right. So now see, I put the salvagers in a checkerboard kind of pattern here. That is because they that is just one of the most effective ways, efficient ways of mining, because you want to hit every block possible. So it's hitting here, hitting here, hitting here. So it just allows you to salvage just a little quicker. All right, so we'll fire it, and there you go. That's what you have. Pretty simple, very basic. And that is my suggested design for salvagers. Everybody else has potentially different designs with them. I find that works the best. But see how now you can't really see in front of those salvagers? There is another block called a camera, conveniently enough. And again, it has that arrow tool which you see there, and that will be the direction in which the camera faces when you scroll to it. So if I put a camera here, it's going to be on the front of the ship. And you will be able to switch between cameras with your left and right arrow keys. So I'm going to hit right on my arrow key, and now I'm in front of the ship. So here's my cannons, and here's my salvager beam. Okay. So that is the very basic setup for a tiny salvager for a startup, and cannons. And let's say though, a lot of people ask this, is how do you change the color of whatever beam or weapon you're firing? So just select the computer, make sure it's the master, and then look at a light and slave that light to the computer as already gone over. So, and I'll do that with the salvager too. If you'll let. I don't think salvagers can do that. Nope. Not. So the salvagers are just going to say blue, but now we have a red firing of your cannons. All right. Take care, guys.